YouTube? This is Kersey here with another Guud Lyfe Smoothies video for you. I'm pretty much just playing catch up from the previous week. I knocked out the 2x3 stud here, and you know, everything is flat and it's flush up against the sliding door. You can see the notching here in that flooring area. Also, I thought this would be a good video because I normally strive for perfection, but it's also good to see, you know, some of the mistakes I made here. And you know, again, that wall was knocked out. That's the notching there on the floor. And then now we have these loose wires that are hanging. So the new solution here is just to drill a hole in the back of the cabinet and then mount the wall cabinet up top here. And so that GFCI will be inside of the cabinet. And I just have to flush this wall off and make it, you know, nice and smooth and even. And the same solution here as well, popping up with some of the solutions here, and just, you know, again, drilling a hole in the back of the wall cabinet, mounting it up top, and insert the GFCI inside of the wall cabinet. GFCI up against the backsplash area of the employee sink, and then of course you'll put a base cabinet, and then, you know, drill a hole in the back of that base cabinet and insert that inside there as well. Then you have your electric water heater, then also your two wire outlets here for your blenders. And you know, I'm just, you know, thinking about, you know, trying to work out some areas here and the cabinet sizes, but the main scope of work today is the cold service table, where I'm going to have to 180 this unit around, and also I have to take off the caster wheels here as well, and that way it can fit inside that unit and sit on top of the wheel well here. So that is pretty much the overall scope here, and this is behind the wheel well. I have my work cut out for me as I'm, you know, working, busting this out, man. I want you guys to enjoy the good life, man. This is Kersey signing off. Peace.